I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we would like share give the general public. And this information, my good people, now about the things and things we they play for inside Edo State. We now don't receive reports. Say the Edo State government don't issue a formal warning to one countryman wey dey go by the name Mr. Ogbuyede Ifuluyi Esibo, and the reason for this warning so na sake of a social media post deemed defamatory against Governor Monday Okpebholo and the members of the State Executive Council. Now for inside one letter wey dey carry the date June 8, 2025, and this letter so was signed by the Edo State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, maybe Dr. Samson Osage. The government they condemned the post which went viral on the 6th day of June as false and malicious. This post now they reportedly accused Governor Monday Okpebholo administration of holding just 3 executive council meetings for inside 8 months, with the governor allegedly residing primarily for inside Abuja and manipulating contract awards from the capital. That is according to the post. So the governor of Edo State dey for Abuja, they do things and things we no nice for inside Edo State. And also the post still dey claim say the Edo State funds were being hoarded. That is, men they gather Edo State funds, men they save on one side to settle a pending Supreme Court judgment where they involve contracts from the previous administration. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, Dr. Osage don't dismiss the allegations as completely false. In the yarn say the things and things wey dey for that post, all of them are wrong something, none of them be legit something. And because they let men they know say several executive council meetings have been held, though men don't hold numerous executive council meetings for inside Edo State. And at that meeting so now can lead to key developmental initiatives, including the ongoing flyover project for inside Benin City, Edo State. Dr. Samson constantly described the post as criminal defamation, and he constantly summer warning say unless a public retraction and apology were issued within 24 hours, the government go pursue both civil and criminal legal actions. They no go let that post fly at all. The things wey dem talk for the post too harsh, so men gats apologize. If not, men go see each other for court. And like this now, my good people, the government they demand say make the apology when dem publish them across all social media platforms, and make dem still put them for at least one national daily. That is, make dem plaster the apology for one newspaper. And also, my good people, this warning wey dey come from Dr. Osage, wey be the Edo State Attorney General. The warning so they reflect the Edo State government their hard stance on wetin dem see as deliberate misinformation and attempt to discredit their leadership, especially as political activities now don dey begin to intensify in the lead up to the 2027 general elections. According to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Dr. Osage, he said the publication, the post, it amounts to criminal defamation, and they intend to proceed through the security agencies for the person wey drop the post now to come aside come prove the criminal allegations wey he don make. Now this report so, my good people, now another reason, now another evidence why men no gas to dey talk things and things unless say dem get proof. Not just wake up for one morning go dey write things for social media if you no get wetin you want to back am up. If this matter last now can't go court, judge go must require proof. Judge go must demand for evidence to back up the claims wey dey for inside the post. If not, yawa don burst be that. And now sake of this report so, my good people, anyhow the matter be you for body, no if you be say you get contributions, don't let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, we still get on that report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say Governor Monday Okpebholo now don't come aside come dey yarn dey give the general public the reason why he decide to adopt development friendly policies. Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State now don't come aside dey yarn dey give the general public say his decision to adopt development friendly policies have been a major factor in the recent success stories where Edo State they experience currently. Represented by the Commissioner for Finance, will be Honorable Emmanuel, during the Pentecost Week celebration, women team the rebirth of a new Edo. and this event so happen for Government House Chapel. And for inside this event so my good people, Governor Monday Ukpebholo now dey let men know say only people-oriented policy na don help his quest to ensure citizens enjoy the dividends of democracy. Na only people-oriented policies na go make sure say the general public chop national moi. The governor come still sama hint say the introduction of the Shine project for inside Edo State go last focus on security with the provision of modern equipment to fight against crime and to support law enforcement agencies across Edo State. In accordance the yarn, say health care plus infrastructure plus natural resources and agriculture and education, they don witness massive advancement for inside Edo State, and he still let men know say Edo State is working towards becoming the food market of Nigeria with the procurement and distribution of 13 tractors to enhance agricultural activities and strengthen food security across Edo State. Normally, good people, many countrymen get this idea say most of the food they come from the north, and yes, most of the food they come from the north. But the Edo State Governor Monday Ukpebholo want to make sure that all food no go dey come from the north. The governor want make sure say Edo State be like headquarters for where food they come from. The governor is currently constructing 170 kilometers of roads across 3 senatorial districts from inside Edo State. They build the Edo State first flyover, and also the cabinet don approve the construction of a second flyover for inside Edo State. If they talk about putting Edo State on the map, Governor Monday Ukpebholo na wetin im dey do. The man now wants make his work talk for him. The man wants make the things and things wey he don do, the success, the progress of Edo State be the evidence say yes, in mind true dey. No be by cho at all, na by show working. And outside the insecurity palava, outside the insecurity challenges and every other level, if men touch that and proper, they go say yes, things they true they move for inside Edo State. Now, sake of this report, so my good people, many day we go object, many day we go talk against them, many day we go yarn say nothing like that they happen. There's no development, and also them go come talk things and things when they work well for inside Edo State. And also many day we go confirm and many day we go agree, many day we go say yes, na legit. The Edo State governor they true try for inside Edo State, and at that same time, many day for inside Nigeria, many day for inside Edo State where they neutral. Them now know the support side. They go just talk the truth as it be. They feel say yes, the governor they do things and things very nice, and no, some kind of things still they wrong for inside the Edo State. And sake of that, so my good people, anyhow the team be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions, if you be say you dey neutral, if you be say you dey against, if you be say you dey in support, don't let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put your point of view. Feel free make you drop your remark. Feel free make you talk how you think be you for body. Drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, we na reality latest gist. Now they like giving a report on the things and things where they sup for inside we nation Nigeria.